Hello students, this is class 6 algebra exercise 7a. Now this chapter already you have studied in class 5. So let me explain you number 2. Now in this type of sums you have to follow some step. First step is this, that equal to will be in between, and this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. Now some steps you have to follow. First step is this, whatever the containing x terms number will be on the left hand side and numbers will be on the right hand side, and if any terms goes from left to right or right to left, then its sign will become opposite. That means plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So let me explain you number 2. Now see, first you see left hand side. First you look for the terms containing x. So here it at x, right here 8x. Now this side no x term is there. Now come to this side. Now this we have got minus 2x. Now this minus 2x will come this side. Now see, this is on the right hand side. Now if you bring on the left hand side, its sign will become opposite. So if this minus 2x, when it will go this side, it will become plus 2x. Now no x term is there. Okay. Then you put here equal to. Now after equal to, you look for the numbers. The number we have got 9. Right here 9. Now this side no numbers is there. Now come to this side. Now this side we have got minus 3. Now this minus 3 will come this side. So it will cross equal to. So if any numbers crosses equal to, its sign will change. So this minus 3 will become here plus 3. Okay, now we have arranged this side x terms and this side numbers term. Now this we will solve, plus or minus according to the sign. So 8x plus 2x, 10x equal to 9 plus 3, 12. Now this one you know how to solve. X equal to this 12 will come up, and whatever number is with x, this will come down. Now this two you reduce it, and this is our final answer. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Now in number 5 we have got bracket 1. So same way, first we will remove the bracket. I have explained you in the earlier exercises. So 2x minus 4 plus 12x minus 3 equal to 0. Now once again we will arrange the terms. Same way, x terms will keep on left hand side and numbers will keep on right hand side. So this 2x is here. Now this 12x is here. Now we will not change the sign of this 12x. Why? Because this 12x has not crossed the boundary. See, here it was in left. Now also it is in left. So we will not change this sign because it is on left hand side only. Okay. If it was this side and if you would bring this one this side, then we would have changed the sign. Okay. The right equal to, after equal to 0 is there, write 0. And then comes here, this minus 4 will come this side, will become plus 4, and again this minus 3 will come this side, will become plus 3. Now this will solve 14x, 7, x equals to, this one will go up, and whatever number is with x, it will come down. Reduce it, you will get your answer. So this is all question number 5. Now question number 7, is fraction 1. So first step is same. First of all, we will arrange the terms. So 2x, this minus x will come this side, it will become plus x equals to 1 by 5 was from beginning, and this minus 3 will go this side, it will become plus 3. Now 2x plus x, 3x. Now here we have got fraction 1. So whenever fraction 1 is there, first we will take LCM and then we will solve. So take LCM, you will get here 8 by 15. Now x equal to, this side will be written as it is. Here nothing is there, take 1, and this side will become multiply and this will become reciprocal. So 3 by 1, this side will become 1 by 3. So once more, after equal to 8 by 15 is there, this will be written as it is. Now here nothing was there, we will take here 1, and when you will write this side, then this will become reciprocal. So this will become multiply 1 by 3, and then you will solve this one, you will get 8 by 45. Okay. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is 2m plus 5 by 3 equals to 3m minus 10. Now here nothing is there, we will take here 1. Okay, and after this step we will do cross multiply. So this multiply this equals to 1 multiply this one, and then after cross multiplication once again we will remove the bracket, and then we will solve as I have explained you in the earlier sums. So this you will solve yourself. Now question number 16. Now number 16 we have got 3x minus 1 by 5 minus x by 7 equals to 3. Now this 5 is in denominator, then this 5 is for both the terms, 3x also and minus 1 also. So we will separate it. So it will become 3x by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay, remember this 5 is for both the terms. So we will separate it. So 3x by 5 minus once again 1 by 5. Then minus x by 7 equals to 3, nothing is there, take 1. And then from here once again arrange the terms and then solve yourself. So try to complete till question number 17. Thank you.